to the love of my life. I awoke this morning with a smile on my face as I recalled the dream I had of you. Soft hands, a warm smile, and a laugh I never get tired of hearing. On your good and your bad days, I hold on to the love that we have formed, and reassure you that as long as I'm alive, I will not let us die. Place your heart on my chest and feel the beating of my heart, while I kiss your lips and tell you that I love you like I did at the start. This relationship that brought forth butterflies in my stomach and sweaty palms, goofy grins, and satisfaction that I found the one for me. Maybe we're not molded into a picture-perfect Hollywood couple, and nowhere near a fairy tale. But the imperfections and the struggles we face together are what make us stronger and show us that this love is worth fighting for. After years of being alone and searching for my so-called soulmate, I came across you and felt a love I never felt and do not want to lose. Maybe I stumble across my words and fail at times when you need me by your side. But trust me, I notice all your little quirks, the aggressive and timid sides of you. The faded red string between us is our connection, and the proof of how we are meant to be. This I can say, that I have found my lover, my best friend, my beloved.
Sa dinami-daming tao sa mundo, may nag-iisang para sa'yo. Kanyang pupunan ang iyong pagkukulang. Siya ang sasalo, anumang ibato ng mundo. Pag-alala, kanyang mapapakalma. Ang dating ayaw mo, ika'y magkakagusto. Ang isa'y dalawa, kayong dalawa'y iisa. Saan ka man magpunta, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Kaya pagal na puso, wag na wag susuko. May hihilo sa mga sugat mo. Napapalyan, siya ang tanging bangka. Pagbaha ng iyong luha at pag naliligaw na, kamay niya ang iyong mapa. Siya ang antipara pag malabo na ang iyong mata. Kaya saradong puso, buksan muli ang iyong pinto. May kakato, may kakato, balang araw. Sa dinami-daming tao sa mundo, abay akalain mo tayo ay matatagpo. Katugmang puso, sa wakas simula na to.